All right, guys, good morning. This is it, last week, final stretch. It's going to be a tough stretch, though. You're definitely going to feel like you're ready for this term to end if you hadn't already. But there's not going to be any new lessons. I might put up a video or two if I think it might help, and just for FYI fun, because I want to try to cram in all the learning I can with you. All each of these weeks that we've had, you could just really stretch out to a full 8-week term. So I know it's been really difficult to just cram through the slides or the writing or whatever it is. It's so hard to retain everything. But I'm glad for what you have done, and I know that you have learned something, and you've all performed really well in staying up during this tough time. You've gone through great extremes to get the information when you need to, whether the difficulty or the obstacle was kids, bills, or internet connections. I don't envy some of those tough situations, and it just amazes me your strength and resilience to continue to this point. Let's finish strong. So you're going to have one long assignment for this week, and it's the study guide. It's what would be the study guide for the exam this week. I will tell you that you're not going to have a full-fledged exam. You will have an exit ticket. That is the quote-unquote final. It will not be something like 40 questions or 50 questions. It'll probably be like 15 questions, which is tough to study for, which is why you're going to have the study guide, and that study guide is going to be a part of the test grade. So really just completing the study guide is a large part of the exam, okay? And it's going to help. So with that, I want to just show you what's there, give you a quick preview. Okay, so never mind, I could not get this to go to my screen. I paused and tried. I'll have to put up another recording, but it doesn't matter. All I was going to show you is the study guide, and it's chunked out into mental health topic, cardiorespiratory, cardiovascular health topics, digestion and nutrition, and then infectious disease, right? That's why I need my screen so I can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, those will be on there. So you have 5-6 questions each. It comes out to about 28 items. So with those chunks, what I would do, you have Monday, Tuesday, today, Wednesday, and you can have Thursday. Of course, Thursday is the exit ticket as well, which you could finish. So 28 divided by 4 is about 7. All right, so you'd want to, if you pace yourself, you want to do about 7 of those questions each day. Or really just pick a 7. So it's effectively going to be one system. And you can go to the PowerPoints, open up PowerPoints, go to your notes. You should recognize some of them from your notes. Some seem very broad and extensive. I'm not looking for a one-pager on any of these things. I know I'll use terms like describe the system or describe how it works. Just give me a summary, an idea. Hopefully you use the proper anatomy terms. And that's about it. I'm not looking, it's about a medium level of detail, okay? Something more than just the basics, and don't give me everything. Just show me that enough that I know you found information that was worthwhile. Okay, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even can bleed into some of Thursday. It's just finishing that in, and by midnight Thursday, you'll take an exit ticket and submitted the study guide, and that's all you're doing this week. All right, like I said, I might throw up videos every now and then, 2 to 5 minute videos, not necessarily of me. There will be a course evaluation that you'll do as well, and you'll do one life coach evaluation, so you can be anticipating that. Well, good job. I'm pretty sure everyone here, I just went through the grades, and everyone's got pretty much everything they need in line. They're complete. You've got your first, maybe your second or third college class done now. This is 3 hours of course credit from Drury University. Congratulations, good job. And I hope you have a great week.